Do you know many people are having trouble with setting the bobbin tension on their Brother LX3817? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Wind the bobbin. Wind the bobbin by placing the thread spool on the pin and passing the thread through the thread guide and pre-tension disc. Step 2. Use correct bobbin. Use the correct bobbin for the Brother LX3817 to avoid machine damage. Part code, say 156, SFB, XA5539, 151. Step 3. Install wound bobbin. Install the wound bobbin by ensuring the thread is guided through the slit and the bobbin rotates counterclockwise easily. Step 4. Verify thread insertion. Verify the thread is properly inserted through the bobbin case tension adjusting spring to prevent incorrect tension. Step 5. Replace bobbin cover. Replace the bobbin cover by aligning it with the race retainer groove and closing it securely. Now you should be able to set the bobbin tension correctly and enjoy smooth sewing on your Brother LX3817. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Brother users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.